Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menus and buttons appear. If you're prompted to sign in, complete that first to make sure your calendar syncs correctly with your account. Next, look toward the top left area of the Outlook window for the calendar icon. It typically appears alongside your mail and other app icons. Selecting this switches Outlook from email to your calendar view, where you can see your schedule by day, week, or month. If your screen layout looks a bit different, don't worry. Just find the calendar label or icon in the navigation pane and click it. With the calendar open, choose the date where you want to add something. The instructions refer to a sample date, which simply means any date you plan to use. You can move between months using the small arrows or change views to see more or less detail at once. Make sure you're looking at the correct day before creating your entry. You can add an event in two simple ways. The quickest is to double-click directly on the date or on the specific time slot if you're in a day or week view. This action opens a new event window ready for details. If you prefer using the toolbar, you can also click the New Event button near the top left. If you see a drop-down near New Email, open it and choose Event. Either path gets you to the same place. In the event window, enter a clear title. Keep it short and descriptive so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Something like Team Check-in or Doctor Appointment works well. Now follow the on-screen prompts to fill in your details. Choose the start and end times or mark it as an all-day event. Add a location if it helps, and use the notes area to capture an agenda, call-in information, or anything you'll need later. You can also adjust a reminder so Outlook alerts you ahead of time. If your version supports categories or colors, picking one can make your calendar easier to scan. If you add people to the attendees field, Outlook will handle the invites when you save, based on your organization's settings. When everything looks right, click Save at the top. Your event will appear on the date you selected and it will sync across your devices connected to the same account. That's it. You opened Outlook, switched to Calendar, added an event by double-clicking a date or using New Event, titled it, completed the details, and saved. You're ready to manage your schedule with confidence in Microsoft Outlook Calendar.